Hello friends, in this video, I intend to teach you how to withdraw ERC20 from MultiBank Group. You click on Funds and also on Withdraw. In this section, you select your account, enter the desired amount, and choose the type of withdrawal along with the network. You enter your wallet address and then click on Send OTP. You copy the code that was sent to your email and paste it in this section. Finally, you click on Submit, and then your withdrawal request is registered and is under review. And to check your withdrawal history, you click on Funds. Also, click on History. You select Report for the video. You enter the desired date in this section. And as you can see, our withdrawal was successfully completed. Good luck!